Hi everyone, I'm Elois Zelada and I'm the summer Springboard instructor for the music industry and music production course at the University of Michigan. I'm a composer, music producer, and sound artist, and I'm currently doing a PhD in performing arts technology here at U of M. I also hold a master's in media arts from this same department and a bachelor of music in piano performance from the Mannes School of Music in New York. My current work focuses on electronic music, sound design, and I mostly focus on immersive spatial audio experiences. I've presented my projects, installations, and performances at different venues, festivals, and conferences here in the US and also in Europe. I've also been teaching electronic music production and creative technology at the university level, and also during intensive summer workshops for high school students, where I guide students on how to compose, record, and produce their own music, always encouraging a lot of hands-on experimentation. In this course, you'll explore how the music industry works, from songwriting, composing, and producing, to branding, marketing, and building a career in music. You'll create your own work, learn the tools producers and musicians use, and also gain real insight into the many paths you can take today in the music industry. I'm really excited to meet you all this summer and help you develop your sound, your ideas, and your creative direction, and also have some fun.